ChatGPT is only as smart as the person using it, and if you're not leveraging it the right way, you could be wasting valuable time and as a result, sabotaging your business growth. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make ChatGPT more effective so that you can save hours every week, streamline your workflow, and also use it to possibly grow your business faster than ever. Quick note, these tips have been selected specifically for business owners who want to make the most of AI and use it to its fullest potential, or as close as possible at least. Now, some AI softwares are, for the most part, fully or very automated. Take Taja, for example. All you do is copy and paste your YouTube link into your Taja dashboard, and then the AI will do all of your YouTube SEO for you. And then with just one more click, it will look through your entire long form video and break it up into shorter form videos that you can use on other platforms. I'm not going to explain it in detail right now, but if you do want to try it for free and see what I mean, I will link it down in the description of this video. So you get those automated softwares, then you also get the AIs where you need to physically input a prompt to get the AI to do its job, like ChatGPT, and that can be a little challenging sometimes. And that's where these 10 quick tips are going to help you. So tip 1 is to break down those complex prompts. Here's a mistake I see all the time: overloading ChatGPT with long, complicated prompts. It's kind of like throwing a ball of yarn at it and expecting a fully knit sweater in return. So instead, break your instructions into smaller steps. For example, start with an outline and then refine each section of your request step by step. And yes, I know this may be a little more time consuming than just putting in one long prompt, but the output or the result that you're going to get is well worth it. Doing it this way ensures clarity and avoids confusion in your prompts, giving you a better result every single time. Tip 2 is use natural language, but be specific. Stop overthinking your prompts. Speak to ChatGPT in the same way you would a friend or a colleague. So for example, instead of saying create content, you can say write a 500-word blog post about how small business owners can use AI like ChatGPT to grow their business. The thing with this is that the more specific you are, the better your output is going to be. And if ChatGPT gives you something you're not too fond of or anything that you don't like, you can always just tweak it or refine it. It's really that simple. Tip number 3 is to give ChatGPT a role. ChatGPT works best when it knows who it's supposed to be. So if you want marketing advice, tell it to act like a top-tier marketing consultant. If you need help planning an event, ask it to imagine being a professional event planner. So the very first line of your prompt should be act as a ... Fill in whatever profession you need it to be where the ... are. So when you assign ChatGPT a specific role, it knows what process to go through to get you the specific answer that you need. So the answers that it's going to give you, or the response that it's going to give you, is a lot clearer, a lot sharper, and a lot more relevant for what you're looking for. Tip 4 is to enable your custom instructions. And to do this is pretty simple. So from your ChatGPT dashboard, you're going to click on your profile picture, and then right over here it says customize ChatGPT. Then in this pop-up, you're just going to fill in the field. So what should ChatGPT call you? It could be your first name, a nickname, whatever you prefer. What do you do? In other words, your profession. Are you a business owner? Are you a content creator? Are you a yoga teacher? Yoga teacher, not yogurt teacher. What traits should ChatGPT have? So these are things like the tonality that you want ChatGPT to speak in. So for example, use a formal professional tone, be casual and chatty, be opinionated. It's basically asking you what type of personality do you want ChatGPT to have. But if you do get stuck, there are a couple of options. You can just click on those and it will add it right into the box. And then at the bottom, it's anything else ChatGPT should know about you. So the examples that they give are, for example, I love hiking and jazz, I'm a vegetarian, I'm trying to learn French. If you are a business owner, you can mention your business values. What is your business trying to help people do? What problem are you solving? That's the type of answer you can put in over here. And this setting can really be a game changer for you because it personalizes how ChatGPT interacts with you. So for example, you can tell it to respond to you with only concise bullet points for easy reading. So personalizing it in this way ensures that you get responses every single time that aligns with your needs. Tip 5 is ask for step-by-step instructions. This one is pretty simple and straightforward. So when you are tackling those complex tasks, you can ask ChatGPT to break them down into steps. For example, instead of saying, help me create a marketing strategy, you can say, give me a step-by-step guide for launching a Facebook ads campaign. Tip 6, don't say please. I know this may sound a little strange, but what I found with ChatGPT, at least lately, is that every time I request it to do something, it kind of seems like it's getting a little lazy, especially if I use the word please. And I think the way ChatGPT works is that when you use the word please, you're kind of giving it an option to say whether it can or cannot do something. So I know I said speak to it as a friend or a colleague, and when you speak to a friend or colleague, you would say please, but in terms of ChatGPT, you want to give it orders so that you're not giving it that option to say it cannot perform a specific task for you. Tip number 7 is to organize and save your best prompts. Stop wasting time trying to reinvent the wheel and trying to write up new prompts every single time. Instead, create a document where you can store all of your best performing prompts. So for example, if you've created an amazing prompt for a perfect email template, or you've created a prompt for your go-to ad copy, those are the types of prompts that you want to save inside this document. An example of a saved prompt is the one that I use when I get AI to write scripts for videos. You can check it out right after this video, and you can also get a copy of that prompt as well if you like. But using these ready-to-go prompts are going to save you hours in the long run. Tip 8 is using temporary chats for privacy. Let's say you're busy with a sensitive project or something that contains sensitive information. You can use ChatGPT's temporary chat feature. It's kind of like an incognito mode for ChatGPT. And to activate it, all you do is click on ChatGPT at the top and then turn on temporary chat. So when you are using this feature, nothing gets saved. So your privacy is being protected, but you're still getting those top tier search results. Tip 9 is to connect apps like Google Drive. So you can streamline your workflow by connecting apps like Google Drive directly to ChatGPT. And when you do this, it allows ChatGPT to pull those documents or scripts, whatever it is that you may need for reference, directly from your Google Drive in real time. And it's just as simple to do as everything else. So you're going to click on your profile picture, click on settings, go over to connected apps and connect Google Drive. This feature is going to save you a lot of time because now you don't need to jump between different apps to get things done. For example, you don't need to go into your Word document, copy whatever it is that you need, paste it into ChatGPT. It can all just be pulled directly from your Google Drive, all within ChatGPT. And tip 10, upgrade to GPT-4 Pro. So if you're really serious about efficiency, then you may want to consider upgrading from the free version to GPT-4 Pro. Look, the free version is great, but Pro offers faster responses, better accuracy, and also advanced features like unlimited image generation. Personally, I use Perplexity because it gives you access to multiple AI models, including ChatGPT, but it's really up to you which one you decide works best for you and which one you want to use. And there you have it, 10 powerful ways to make ChatGPT work for you and not against you. Remember that ChatGPT is not just a tool, use it as something to help you work smarter and not harder. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, keep growing, and I'll catch you in the next video.